Now, Steve's server is now Proman My Computer. Okay. Now, you will notice here it has come up and said passed. Now, it'll say here there's no evidence whatsoever that a port or even a computer exists at this IP address. Okay. Now, if you notice, all mine is in stealth. That's exactly what you want. So every one of these port numbers here, all these back doors are all closed. Okay. And it'll give you some information here. Now, the next one you want to check is your service ports. And you just basically click it here. Now, it does take a bit of time, okay, and it'll say here, if it's in green, it's in stealth. Now, your ISP is supposed to be responsible for securing so many ports on your computer. But you are responsible for securing the rest of the ports on your computer. Now, port 1080 and port 80 is your web browser port, okay? So spend a bit of time and get to understand what port is what on your computer and what goes in and what goes out. Okay, there's no point. Excuse me. There's no point in putting a firewall on your computer and not knowing what's going in or out of your system. Okay, and you don't need a lot of brains to do this here. Steve has set this system up here for you. Okay, now it's going to check the first 1056 ports. Okay, and so far you will notice as the system is scanning my computer, it is exactly telling me that these ports are all closed. Okay, now it says here your system has achieved a perfect true stealth rating. Not a single packet, okay, has went out through my system. The next thing, Steve has a bit of information here where you can read up on it and it'll explain to you about port 113 and etc. Okay. The next thing you want to do is check Messenger, spam, and also check your browser headings. Now, your browser can give away a lot of information. Now, I have always said to my friends in the past, as a security point of view, I would recommend that you set your homepage to Google. Now, that information was passed to me by a programmer many, many years ago. And to this day, I would still set my homepage as Google. Okay, so this is a system here that you can check to see how secure your internet connection is. Now, you can use a proxy IP as another way of hiding your IP address. Okay, now, even though he's got my IP address here, that indicates to me that my computer is responding to a ping. Okay, now there is a number of ways that I can change that.